Okay, guys, yesterday we started discussing about this non-repaint indicator, custom-made indicator, and of course, we checked out the futures on these particular indicators and to see how we can fully put it into use. Okay, and of course today we will dive more into it. We'll dive deeper into it to see how we can really put it into use in order to make more profits whenever we are trading. Remember, it is a non-repaint indicator, and of course we're going to be checking some of these things out right here in this video. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I am happy to let you know that all the trading activities analyzed with this trading indicator this week actually went as predicted, and I'm really happy that we are able to make a lot of profits with that. Okay, I also did some analysis in on within the Telegram channel yesterday using this same trading tool, and we all achieved big profit right from there. So congratulations to those of you who are within the Telegram channel. Okay, and of course to those of you who also watch my videos. Okay, so congratulations to you all. Now let's dive into what we have right here today. But before we do that, guys, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly let's jump into what we have right here. So guys, as you can see, this is a custom made indicator. You can see right from this resistance zone, it gave us, it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, just like I have explained yesterday. The yellow color happened to be the uptrend, the red color happened to be the downtrend. So it gave us sell signals, three sell signals at the top right here. And check out, guys, check out the performance right from here, guys, to this very moment. It was a smooth trading opportunity. This happened to give us 90 candles, 90 candles of 1 hour time frame. You can imagine, guys. So which means this actually lasted for 90 hours. So it's lasted for this. That is why I said if you truly understand how this work out, you can be on a particular trade for days and you will be in massive profit throughout this period. The same thing happened around here when it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend. Gave us a buy signal right from here, and of course till this very moment this is 164 candles of 1 hour time frame. That's so beautiful. Okay, so this is not just about this or the higher time frame alone. People have been asking me, can they trade with lower time frame? So before I focus fully on the higher time frame, let's go back to 1 hour, 1 minute time frame. Of course you can trade on 1 minute time frame also, and I'm going to show you how you can go with this. Okay, so you can use it to trade spikes and you can use it to trade in normal trend. It all depends on you. For instance, this was on uptrend. Like I said, if it is on uptrend, it will give you all this color, this yellow color. And of course, if it is on downtrend, to change to the red color. So it got to the resistance zone. This is a major resistance zone because it has been coming from here, got to this resistance zone, but broke out above it, got to this resistance zone, and of course, it didn't give us signal right from the beginning because it was trying to study the market if there is going to be a breakout above this resistance zone. But at this point, it gave us a sell signal and a downtrend signal. When this happens, okay, we expect you to come in at this spot. Okay, sorry, somewhere here. Okay, you should come in somewhere here, and you can always place your stop loss at the spots. Okay, because it is giving you signal does not mean you shouldn't use stop loss. Of course you can still use stop loss. Okay, so most of you will tell me that okay, using stop loss does not really work for spikes, or in boom and crash. Okay, so it works, just that it will push it backward to where the spike is going to stop, which will prevent you from multiple spikes like this. Okay, so this is very, very important. So This actually started trading and it gave us a lot of profits, and you can see it spiked a little here and came down to this region and spiked more, gave us multiple spikes till it got to this region. Okay, so what I actually expect you to do at this point, this has actually given us an assurance that it is on downtrend and it is selling, and it has been selling since then. But right here is a support region and it might want to trigger another spike at this point, okay, which was what led to all these spikes. Okay, so all you just need to do, once you start making good profit, you can see just a single signal, no repaints, nothing like that, and it sold till it got to this particular region. And let's see the number of candles achieved from here. Okay, so this actually gave us how many candles? That's 56 candles. Okay, that means it traded for 56 minutes. That's a lot of profit, guys. It is a lot of profit. So this is so unique. And of course, guys, all you just need to do, once you are in profits like this already, let's say it has given you enough profits like this, what I expect you to do is to drag your stop loss downward and secure some part of the profits. And of course, guys, make sure you give it more room for um breathing. Okay, so this is very, very important. This got to this region, you can drag your stop loss down a bit. Okay, and of course came down, drag it down a bit. Okay, this spikes. Okay, let's say it's going to shift it upward and close it at this point. Okay, your profits will still go to your balance. Okay, so this now went on uptrend. Okay, because it gave us, it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend at this point. But remember, this is still within the major resistance zone. Okay, and of course this should be a kind of pullback. Of course, it gave us multiple spike, gave us a buy signal. So if you had placed your buy signal at this point, set your stop loss somewhere here, you would have benefited from all these spikes also. Okay, so this is very, very important. So right from there, got to that same resistance zone again, so you should expect it to either respect it or probably break out above the resistance zone. So all you just need to do is just to wait for the right signals. Okay, we got another downtrend signal again and a sell signal. Like I said, always follow the signal that supports the trend. Okay, so we got a sell signal on a downtrend, so it's so cool. And this is coming from a resistance zone, a major resistance zone, so you should respect it. Okay, so you place your order again at this point. Okay, your order is coming in very early this time around, and all you just need to do is to wait for the profit to start rolling in. You can see, let's do some calculation. This actually got to this end, and that is how many candles? That is 59 candles. That's so amazing. So all you just need to do, immediately you start making profits. Let's say it has gotten to this region, you can drag your stop loss downward a bit and secure some part of the profit. Okay, and of course this got to this region, also adjust it a bit to secure some parts, some parts of the profit. Okay, it started spiking. Okay, spiked up, came down, spiked up, didn't get to your stop loss, and of course went down again. So this time around, I will advise you to secure more. Okay, probably to this region. Okay, it's went down, still secure more, because at this point it cannot, a single spike cannot get it back to this region again. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so and of course as it is going down, as the price action is going to, the price line is going down, make sure you drag your stop loss to secure more profit for yourself. Okay, because this is on downtrend already, just the way we are seeing it, it is on downtrend already. And of course it is giving you an opportunity to earn more at this point. Okay, so you can see how beautiful it is for you to put this into use in order to trade any assets, not only gain X and pain X alone, even currency pairs. Okay, even on 1 minute time frame. All you just need to do is just to follow the simple instruction. Number one, know how to identify your resistance zone and your support zone. Right here is your resistance zone, and down is your support zone. This is a major support zone. Right here, we also have another support zone at this point. We have another one at this point. Okay, so all these are very, very important, but your major resistance and support zone are very, very important, which is always at the top of the page and at the lower part of the page of your chart. Okay, so this is very, very important. Then another thing is that you should know when the trend is changing. Okay, at this point, it is at the resistance zone. So if it is not going to break out from the resistance zone, then the trend should change from an uptrend into a downtrend, and that is what happened around there. Okay, and allow the trend to change. Okay, don't just assume that it is going to change. For instance, it got to this resistance zone and it started selling. Don't just assume that it is going to change because it has gotten to the resistance zone. It can still spike any moment from here. Okay, so allow the trend to fully change. It changed at this point and it gave us a sell signal, and you can go in for it and trade, milk the market, and make sure you are cool with whatever profit you are making. This is very, very important. Here is another one. It got to this region, switch from a downtrend into an uptrend, and of course we milk the market even though we had the opportunity to milk more. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can use it to trade the spikes in my next video. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can use it to trade the spikes in my next video. You can see here is another one. From an uptrend, it gave us a downtrend, sold, had a spike, and of course gave us more downtrend again, and of course you can see it traded it for a very long time. So you can use this to milk the market for a very long time. Okay, it is as easy as that. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. For those that are having this trading indicator, I hope you are learning a lot. Okay, so you can go back to your chart and practice what I have just explained today. If you have more questions, you can drop your question for me in the comment section. And for those that are not having this trading to call the 3M trend milker indicator, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, and we can discuss on how YouTube gets one customized for you. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.